Introducing the first 80-volt HP 30-inch ZTR from RYOBI, our most advanced mower ever, with 80 volts of pure lithium power. The intuitive iDrive joystick puts precise control in the palm of your hand. HP technology and 4 brushless motors combine to deliver the power equivalent of a 28-horsepower gas engine without the gas, fumes, or hassle, and about this much noise. Use the onboard LCD screen to easily adjust blade and drive speed to your preferred setting, while effortlessly maneuvering around obstacles. Utilize the RYOBI Bagger Boost accessory, which allows you to clear the chute with just the push of a button. Even with a bagger attached, the 30-inch deck easily fits through tight spaces like gates. With the two 80-volt batteries, this rider can tackle up to 1 acre on a single charge. And the supercharger gets you back to full power fast. It's even 40-volt compatible, allowing you to increase your runtime with additional RYOBI 40-volt batteries. RYOBI has a dedicated team nationwide available to support you. If your riding mower requires attention, a certified RYOBI RXT field specialist can diagnose and service right from your home. For further information, visit ryobitools.com/help-plus. The RYOBI 80-volt HP 30-inch zero-turn riding mower, exclusively at the Home Depot.